Welcome back to Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about line of dance. So the short version of this is line of dance is a square around the dance floor in which we keep dancing down one of the lines of the square instead of through the middle of the floor technically. Like a racetrack, we dance around the floor to the left or counterclockwise the entire time to avoid crashing into each other as much as possible, always with the dances that travel around the floor. Stationary dances like the rhythm or social style, cha-cha, rumba, swing, they're all in one spot, so there is no such thing as line of dance in those. However, all the dances that travel, like all of the smooth or standard dances like waltz or tango, foxtrot, they all travel around the floor, so everybody moves around to the left around this big square or rectangle, more like a rectangle because there are two long sides and two short sides to a floor. So in the easiest way to explain this, they're just moving down the short and the long side of the rectangle around to the left counterclockwise so people don't run into each other as much as possible. There's a more in-depth version of this that has to do with center and wall and certain room alignments. But in terms of line of dance, this is the social construct of how we coordinate on the floor at the same time with so many different couples dancing all together. So I hope this made a little bit more sense and you can see why everybody's kind of in conjunction moving around the floor as one. So line of dance, thank you so much for listening today and I hope you check out more of our Technique Tuesdays on ballroom.com.